Hello there.
Today I talk about coding. So what is coding? Don't worry, I tell you about coding. My name is Rahul.
So basically code is the medium of interaction between the machine and user. Let's represent that picture.
And that computer is a machine that help in the different type of works. But the computer works on machine code and machine code is totally different. And the computer works on binary number 0 and 1. Compiler convert user code in the machine code 0, 1 means binary number. After that we finish the work. So you are master in the code definition. So thank you for watching.